Hello, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about how to disable notifications in the Google Chrome beta browser on your mobile device. If you are tired of constant pop-ups and alerts from websites, first, open the Google Chrome beta browser on your mobile device. Next, tap on the three dots icon at the top right. From this menu, find and tap on Settings to continue. After that, scroll down the Settings menu until you see Site Settings and tap on it to continue. Then, find the Notifications option in Site Settings and click on it to view all the notification controls. Next, you can choose the option that prevents sites from sending you notifications. Select Don't Allow. Site to send notifications to stop all alerts and pop-ups. Finally, you have successfully disabled notifications in Google Chrome Beta on your mobile. You can now browse without interruptions, and your device will no longer receive unwanted notifications from websites. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more useful tips.